was coming for the first time. Naku, nakawala si John Limpot. Iniwanan ng husto sa nasunod sa Itono.
What a
And
move,
you saw
partner,
that,
what a move!
so that no fear slam. Face your fears, live your dream.
Partner, kaya ka nagkaroon ng sagutan dito between Limpot and Wino. Kasamaan yata ng paa ito si Wino.
Medyo nag-uusap sila.
Yeah,
Medyo,
Limpot actually apologized and he tapped him on the head. At akala ni Coach Wino, parang tinutuya siya. Binalikan niya ito si Limpot. No, Limpot is not that kind of a player. Ito, tingnan natin. Kita mo naman ang head and shoulder fake. Hector, sa'yo!
Alex Crisano looking at Vergel Meneses. Labang kay Antonio. Ito si Meneses. Reverse layup, first 2 points. Habang nagkakagulo itong ibang mga fans ng Barangay Ginebra. At alam mo naman ito mga fans dito sa loob ng venue. To Mark Caguioa. Iniwanan si William Antonio. Tuloy-tuloy pero masyado malakas. Pero yun naman ang trabaho ni Ronald Bactulis. He does that very well.
Weak side rebounding, partner.
Of this game, natapikan si Coach William ni John Limpot. Narito si Mark Caguioa. Burning rubber once again. Apat na naman ang kalaban. Yes! Alam mo, para napanood ko sa Tagalog movies ito si Mark Caguioa. Para sa Fernando po, isang batalyon ng kalaban, siya lang mag-isa, tinatalo. Helter Brand, another turn away. Inagaw rin ni Helter Brand. Kita niya sa Limpot sa ilalim! At may humabol pa.
Oo. At end one situation para kay John Limpot.
Punong-puno po tayo ngayon as we welcome all of you to a sold-out Phil Sports Arena on this Wednesday. Welcome again to this main game dito between Popcol and Barangay Ginebra. Ako po si Paolo Trillo, kasama si Janelle So.
Thank you, Paolo, and good evening, everyone. Nakita mo naman, Paolo, punong-puno tayo ngayon dito sa Phil Sports Arena. And as you said, sold out ang mga tickets.
Tama.
Of course, alam natin yung mga families nagpunta dito spending their Wednesday evening with us. Pero alam mo ba that the biggest delegation tonight in this house is 350.
O kaya naman pala punong-puno tayo dito. Taga saan ba yan?
Alam mo, nanggaling pa sila, hindi lang within the Metro Manila, ha? Dinayo nila yung Phil Sports mula pa sila sa Sinuluan, Laguna.
Okay, and in fact, meron nga tayo dito ang representative from that, yung tropa ng galing Laguna, si Gilmore. Gilmore, baba ka dito. Una-una, welcome to the PBA Bayan ng Superstars.
Good evening, Paolo and Janelle. We're very excited here. We're enjoying the game. The boys are really happy going to this arena.
Mukha nga, Gilmore, pero paano nyo ba inorganize yung mga dinala nyo dito ngayon?
We identify the Barangay Ginebra fans from every barangay of Siniluan. So halos lahat ng barangay ng Siniluan ay represented here.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Gilmore, may mga plano ba kayong bumalik dito sa PBA?
Yeah, of course. Siguro baka before the finals.
Okay.
Thank you and enjoy
Sige.
the game.
Okay.
At ayan si Mark Caguioa. You will see him in action later on sa ating exciting matchup dito between the Panthers and the Gin Kings. And for those of you guys who have just joined us, alam mo, Janelle, the people here at the Phil Sports Arena are getting their money's worth because Shell just won a thrilling come-from-behind overtime victory over the San Miguel Beermen.
Exactly, at the start of the pregame. Yung pregame ng first game, sinabi natin na this is gonna be another exciting doubleheader for everyone. And the first game lived up to that.
Tama.
At ngayon naman, simulan na natin ang excitement dito sa ating second game, Popcola versus Barangay Ginebra. We'll turn you over to the panel at Pixon with Kinito Henson.
Maraming salamat, Janelle at Paolo. Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Mula po dito sa Phil Sports Arena, nabanggit nga po ni Janelle at ni Paolo, grabe po ang excitement. Tuloy-tuloy po ito. Hanggang pong naririto tayo sa Phil Sports Arena, asahan po ninyo, if that first game is any indication, if the size of the crowd is any indication, we're in for a slam bang affair. Dito po sa ating main game featuring Barangay Ginebra versus the Popcola Panthers. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Saan mang sulok ng Pilipinas kayo naroon? Ang inyo pong kaibigan, Ed Pixon po lamang. At syempre pa kasama natin ang ating kaibigan ding si Kinito Henson para dito sa labanang ito. Kinito, marami nagsasabi itong Barangay Ginebra ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit napakarami na namang dumudubog dito sa ating mga venue ng PBA sapagkat magandang-maganda ang nilalaro ng Barangay Ginebra dito sa 2001 season ng Bayan ng Superstar.
Well, partner, kita-kita natin ang ebidensya. You see it on your screens. No, sold out po tayo rito sa Phil Sports Arena. Yes.
Marami pang nagmimerienda muna, nasa CR, di ba? Dahil in between games.
Iba talaga kung nagpapanalo itong Barangay Ginebra. No? This is a team that is known traditionally as a never say die team. No? Kanya namang itong mga fans around here. But partner, I think we also have to concede that itong Pop Cola has its
Ah,
own
yes,
share of
definitely.
fans. Johnny Abarrientos, remember, may hatak din yan. And
Yes.
a lot of the Johnny Abarrientos fans, formerly with Alaska, are now cheering for Pop Cola.
At hindi lang yan, sapagkat yung Pop Cola, although hindi sila nasa itaas ng standings ngayon, may mga tiyempo, no? May mga laro na maganda ang kanilang ipinakikita. They have a 4-win and 4-loss start. They're not that too far away from the leaders, actually.
O partner, eto makikita natin, a win here by Barangay Ginebra will vault it into a share of first place. Partner, 6-3 magiging
sila
record
dyan.
nila. That will be a 4-way tie for first place. Kaya ang hinahabol dito ng Barangay Ginebra is a share of first spot. And for Pop Cola, aangat sila in a tie with Alaska kung sakasakaling manalo sila
At saka
against
Ginebra,
Barangay
di
Ginebra.
ba?
Yes.
O magiging 5-4 din yung Barangay
Exactly,
Ginebra,
yes. And
So,
partner, both these teams are on winning streaks. So Barangay
Tama.
Ginebra has won 3 of its last 4 at ang Pop Cola naman has won 3 of its last 5. Both these teams coming off big wins.
just to show you how much improved the team is, ito pong labang ito ng Barangay Ginebra, kung sakasakali at maipanalo nila, pang-anim nilang panalo yan. Yan po ang dami ng panalo ng Barangay Ginebra sa buong komperensya last year. So, malapit-lapit na nila ma-exceed yung kanilang buong performance sa entire All-Filipino Conference of the year 2000. Pero marami ka nagsasabi, including Coach Alan Kainik, na sinasabi niya na medyo kinakabahan na siya sa nangyayari sapagkat ito ang pinakamaganda rin yung umpisa as head coach of Barangay Ginebra.
At sabi nga niya, partner, it's a very scary situation because parang hindi na siya sanay na makita itong Barangay Ginebra na nagpapanalo. But well, he's gonna get used to it, partner, and I'm sure he's enjoying every minute of it.
Alam natin si Alan Kaidik in his career as a basketball player was always a winner, and mukhang nakadiscover rin sila ng isa pang winner dito sa kanilang kakupunan ngayon. Ito po yung nasa inyong screens ngayon at narinig natin kanina, marunong pala managalog, itong si Mark the Spark. Kung tawagin mo nga, si Kagiwa.
Oh, partner, ito nga, si Mark the Spark. Yan ang moniker ni Mark Kagiwa. At kung makikita natin ang kanyang conference averages, well, very impressive. Averaging 13.4 points. That's the best among non-starters. In 8 games so far, partner, ito si Kagiwa has yet to start a game for Barangay Ginebra. But he doesn't mind. He's getting the minutes. He's averaging 25 a game. At sabi nga natin kanina, he is averaging 13.4 points an outing.
At sa kabila naman mga kaibigan ay hindi rin po naman nakukulang itong Pop Cola Panthers sa mga exciting players na siya namang tumutulong na maiangat ang kanilang kupunan. Ito, napakasipag nitong player na ito, si Rudy Hatfield, and he is showing that dahil sa mga players po na nakaka-double-double, natabla niya itong si Davon Hart ng Batang Red Bull Thunder at 26 double-double so far.
Exactly, partner.
Since
Ito si
last
Rudy
year.
Hatfield. Yes, exactly. And take a look at the number of double-double performances since last year. Partner, siya at saka si Davon Harp are tied for the lead in this particular category. No? Ito si Rudy Hatfield talagang napakasipag. And of course, ang kanyang inspirasyon is here in the house tonight.
Sino ikaw? Sino?
Guessing game. Sino kami?
Para nakita ko na kanila.
Oo, nandito na naman mga kaibigan to provide inspiration for Rudy Hatfield. So expect another double-barrel game from Hatfield.
Palagay ko.
Iba na naman ang iniisip. Anyway,
Parang yung duda ko pati ikaw na-inspire. Okay, mga kaibigan, pag-usapan natin itong laro na naman. Actually, yung nakikita po natin dalawang kupunan na magtatagpo rito, yung Barangay Ginebra at ang Pop Cola Panthers, maganda po ang kanilang kombinasyon o kanilang sagupan. Lalong-lalo na dyan sa point guard slot, sapagkat mga dekalibre po ang mga point guard na maglalaro rito.
Exactly, dekalidad. Ika nga, no? Ito si Johnny Abarrientos of Flying A, matched up against the Flash Baldavid. Ito naman ang comparative stats nila, no? Abarrientos, his scoring is down this particular season. Alam naman natin, Abarrientos is one of the many newcomers here for Pop Cola. Baldavid is averaging 11.3, Johnny Abarrientos 9.1. You take a look at their other statistics, partner, halos pantay. This is indeed a marquee matchup.
At alam natin, medyo matagal-tagal na rin nag-aharap yung dalawang yan. Although, nung nasa ibang squad pa, si Johnny Abarrientos, and it's always a pleasure and a thrill to watch these two ace point guards going at each other. Okay, mga kaibigan, sa ilang sandali po lamang ay mag-uumpisa na ang labanan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng Pop Cola Panthers. So, dyan lang po kayo at ihahatid po namin sa inyo ang aksyon sa loob lang ng ilang sandali. Samantala, here's our sure shot by Fundador.
Time now for Sure Shot by Fundador. That's for sure.
Bigyan ng pick ni Ray Evangelista. Castillo. Tumira na dos. Yes!
Ito, Ryan, ang ganda ng jump shot ni Noy Castillo rito.
You have just seen Sure Shot by Fundador. That's for sure.
Alex Crisano. At forward number 14, Mando Campito. And at forward number 9, Jude Limpot. The Kings head coach is Alan Teichig. The position is Chris Carina. Now the starters for your Pascola Panthers. At guard number 14, Johnny Amarientos.
Alright, balik po tayo sa Phil Sports Arena sa Pasig City para sa pag-uumpisa ng labanan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng Pop Cola Panthers. Bagbit nga po natin na inaasahan po natin magiging makulay ang labanan ito sapagkat pareho pong mga matitindi ang sa intensity itong dalawang kupunang yan. Yan po ang ating starting fives brought to you by QuickType, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Mukhang wala namang...
Walang pagbabago dito. Partner is Ballesteros. He's starting here for Pop Cola. At
napalitaan natin si Jojo Lastimosa nga pala. Hindi pa rin maglaro. Mukhang nagkaroon na ng operasyon sa tuhod dito eh.
yun ang balita natin. We
Jojo.
wish him of course a speedy recovery. Partner, dapat banggitin natin ito si Ballesteros. Starting here in place of Nelson Asartono.
Ayun na. Si Ballesteros na ang umiscore kaagad para po dito sa Pop Cola Panthers. Alam natin, balik PBA ito eh. Medyo nawala ito panandalian. At last year pala nakikita natin na parating dumadalaw yun dito. At sinasabi nga niya, he had been trying out with different PBA teams. Most especially itong Pop Cola nga.
At paunti-unti, yung confidence level ni Ballesteros ay umaangat. No? He's now averaging 7.1 points.
Ayan,
He's
si Ballesteros
got 2
naman,
rebounds now in this game. Shot up and assist. Dalawang rebound na yun para kay Ballesteros.
At napakagandang pukol galing kay Estong Ballesteros to give his squad a 4-0 lead on that fast break play that was acted on Ponce Julio.
Partner, ang dapat pag-ingatan dito ng Pop Cola, yung kanilang turnover. They are ranked number 1 in turnovers in the league with 20.3 turnovers a game.
Ito, Barangay Ginebra ng turnover. Uy, ang gandang pasahan naman.
Yes.
Bob Hawkins and Rudy Hatfield. Ang bilis nun.
Yung kanilang transition attack, partner, mukhang in full gear dito at hindi pa nakaka-score itong Barangay Ginebra. We talked about turnovers, partner. Sa tingin ko, itong Pop Cola, to improve its chances of winning, must commit less than 20. I would say anywhere between 16 to 18 turnovers lamang. No? And that should be able to give them the impetus to play rather a relatively error-free game.
Well, sabi mo nga, pinakamasama po ang record ng Pop Cola pagdating sa turnovers dito ngayon sa ating liga.
Yes.
So, dapat lang na maibaba nila yan sapagkat that's a dubious distinction. Ano?
Not only that, itong Barangay Ginebra is averaging 15.3 turnover points a game, kaya they know how to capitalize.
Well, turnovers. Ito, si Estong Ballesteros kicks it out. Antonio.
Yes!
Oh,
Pumasok
yes!
yun. And they'll count.
Inaabot actually ng buzzer pero nabitawan na ni William Antonio yung bola. Yung tumunog at saka kaya ito, napakalaki kalamangan kagad.
9-0 at hindi pa tumatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Ginebra to stop this juggernaut.
Well, sa bagay,
umpisa natin.
kanina yung unang game natin parang ganyan din nag-umpisa eh. 5 points lang ang in-score ng Shell nung first quarter. Akalain mo nakahabol na nakahabol. Tumabot ng 20 puntos pa yung kalamangan ng San Miguel. Pero nag-overtime at eventually nagwagi pa yung Shell Turbo Chargers. Talking about turnovers.
Ito si Magtulis, pumasok na in place of, hindi naman napalitan.
Si Banjo Calpito ang pinalitan kanina. Paul David, petangan ng bola against Johnny Amarientos. Dumalabas si Vergel Meneses, the aerial voyager. Pulls up. Oo, pero medyo malakas yung tira.
Kasama ang field goal percentage dito ng Barangay Ginebra.
Ayan na naman, Johnny Abarrieto.
Barrientos.
11-0 start here para sa Pop Cola Panthers. Barely 3 minutes gone by in the initial quarter. Tumawag ng 30 o 30-second timeout. Itong Barangay Ginebra, they need to regroup.
Well, this is a shock treatment, partner.
Yan ang golpe di gulat.
Talagang nagulat itong Barangay Ginebra. I don't think Coach Alan Caydic was prepared for this kind of running attack right at the beginning of the game. Hindi sila laro ng transition defense. As a result, Pop Cola scoring easy baskets on the break.
We're on a 30-second timeout, and timeout means time for Sun Mig Light. The low-calorie beer, only $12.50 at a store near you.
Partner, dapat sabihin din natin as we take a look at this move here, Eston Ballesteros, a kick out.
Nakakailang assist na rin yan si Estong Ballesteros. You saw that on a slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT. Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Ang malaking pagkukulan dito ng Barangay Ginebra early in this game is ang kanilang defensive intensity. Partner, in their 5 wins so far dito, they've held their opponents to an average of 69. But dito, yung depensa nila parang hindi pa natin nakikita.
Oo, ito, nakawala na kaagad itong Pop Cola. Dito, nag-turnover pa si Berhel Meneses. Ballesteros again with a kick out. This time to Johnny, who misses the 3-point shot. At si Bal David na nakakuha ng loose ball being egged on by Coach Alan Caydic. Alex Crisano looking at Berhel Meneses. Laban kay Antonio. Ito si Meneses. Reverse layup, first 2 points. Habang nakakagulo itong ibang mga fans ng Barangay Ginebra. At alam mo naman itong mga fans dito sa loob ng venue. Kung minsan mas matindi pa intensity kaysa sa mga player.
Kanina nakita natin Barangay Ginebra getting its first points on a clear out for Berhel Meneses. One-on-one move. Yan ang kanilang bread and butter play.
Samantala si Estong Ballesteros has been very active for the Pop Cola Panthers in this first quarter. At ito ngayon ang Barangay Ginebra, they're down 11-2.
Ito yung kanilang isa pang option to play Jun Limpot down low.
Ang ganda ng ginawa naman ni Estong Ballesteros na pagdo-double team kay Jun Limpot. Wala na talagang pupuntahan si Jun doon. Ang ginawa na lang niya, pinatalbog na lang niya sa hita ni Estong Ballesteros yung bola.
Pero tama ang ginawa ng Pop Cola defensively, partner,
Oo.
because they made Limpot commit himself towards the baseline bago dumating yung double. Hindi nga double lang, no, triple team.
Oo. Pero ito, Jun Limpot scoring on a jump shot. Yan naman ang masasabi mo dyan sa mga player na ganyan, si Jun Limpot. Maaaring musaran sa ilalim niya, pero titira pa rin sa labas. Meron titira sa labas yan.
Yun naman ating trend watch for Barangay Ginebra. Feeling ko, partner, no, Ginebra needs to be able to score anywhere between 40 to 45% from the field to put this game away. Anything less will be trouble for Barangay Ginebra.
Ronald Bagtones with the offensive rebound. So far, medyo mababa ang shooting percentage ito Barangay Ginebra. Let's see if they can catch up. Berhel Meneses trying to shake off William Antonio. Gets it over to Jun Limpot against Sports Radio. Limpot looking at Berhel Meneses. Lumihit na si Berhel. Off balance and he stepped on the baseline. Ang dami ng turnover ng Barangay Ginebra. Nasabi natin kanina, pinakamaraming turnovers per game itong Pop Cola Panthers. Pero sa Marico, dito sa pag-uumpisa ng laro, itong Barangay Ginebra mas marami.
Exactly. Tatad sila ng turnovers, no, averaging 17.4 a game. But so far, it's just too many for comfort, partner, and that's giving Pop Cola more opportunities para sila maka-score.
Samantala Hatfield. Punch Rigo inside. The drop pass to William Antonio. Wala. And grabbing the rebound is Magtulis.
Alam mo, partner, kung titingnan natin ang mga matchups dito, no? Pop Cola really having an advantage in height. Hatfield, Ballesteros, Pochwinyo. That's a very tall front line.
Samantala, Berhel Meneses working against William Antonio. Good coverage there by William. Pero bumalik ang bola kay Berhel Meneses sa post. And Hatfield with the rebound out to Johnny. Meron pa tayong 6:03 to go in the first quarter. Estong Ballesteros, they've been giving the ball over to him. He's got a lot of things. Nakashoot na yan. At a couple of assists. Rebound pa. Coach Hino backing up against Jun Limpot. Hinihingi ng traveling si Coach Alan Caydic. But instead, an offensive foul is called on Portuino. Meron tayong 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the first quarter. It's a 7-point lead by the Pop Cola Panthers over Barangay Ginebra. Narito po ang ating unang timeout ng laro. Dr. Trusted de Lacsan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble bisa, doble galing.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Okay, meron 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. At hindi po magkamaya ang mga tao rito sa Phil Sports Arena. Expecting a great battle here between Barangay Ginebra and Pop Cola. Ito si Mark Kagiwa. Si Napal doon sa ilalim na Super Volca Seal Tabal. Samantala, Coach Winyo, tatlo-tatlo nagbantay sa kanya ron. Talagang inabangan si Mark Kagiwa. Illegal defense called on Barangay Ginebra. Medyo hindi yata nakaset-up na maaga yung depensa ron.
Alam mo, partner, kanina, yung nakita natin, nagkaroon ng turnover yung Pop Cola because Poch Winyo was backing in and then he was called for the offensive foul yata yun, ano?
Yes.
Yung tawag sa kanya. Actually, Poch Winyo started his low post move for the triangle a little bit too late, no? Dapat siya maging first option dito ng Pop Cola and everything else will emanate from him. Ito, ginawa na siyang first option. Yun naman ang resulta.
Talagang mataas ang level ng kumpiyansa ni Poch Winyo ron. Kahit na walang tao sa ilalim para sa Pop Cola, he gives the Panthers a 9-point lead at 13-4. Here's Kagiwa. Out to Bal David for the 3. Yes! PLDT long distance shot. The first for Barangay Ginebra in this game coming from Bal David.
Partner, crucial yan. Ha? Barangay Ginebra needs to be able to shoot sharply from the outside because napaka-laki ng front line ng Pop Cola to be able to take care of the defensive boards.
Alam mo, itong dalawang kupunan ito actually averaging the worst, no? Pagdating sa 3-point shooting. Itong Barangay Ginebra averages only about 26%. Pop Cola 25% from beyond the 3-point arc.
Exactly, partner. At, they really need to step it up. Itong si Bal David, for instance, before this game, averaging 24% from 3-point range. But last year, partner, hindi na masama ang kanyang percentage from the arc, 34.1.
Maganda na yun. Samantala, itong dalawang kupunan ito naman, dalawa sa pinaka mataas na sa dami ng fast break points, no? Ginebra averaging 12.1 and Pop Cola 12.6. So, maaasahan natin, kagaya nakita natin, medyo mabilis yung laro na ito. 15-7 is the count, an 8-point lead by the Pop Cola Panthers. Meron pa tayong 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Bal David sa Besenyas ng play to Mark Kagiwa. Iniwanan si William Antonio. Tuloy-tuloy pero masyado malakas. Pero yun naman ang trabaho ni Ronald Bagtulis. He does that very well.
Weak side rebounding, partner. Exactly. Nabase ni Ronald Bagtulis kung anong gagawin nito ni Mark Kagiwa. Right place, right time.
And he cuts the lead down to 6 at 15-9. Rudy Hatfield has not been very active offensively. Pero yun, gumawa na kaagad ng first 2 points si Rudy Hatfield para sa Pop Cola Panthers.
At malaking challenge yan para kay Ronald Bagtulis. No? I would say he is the most reliable defensive stopper ng Barangay Ginebra. Kanya naman ang kanyang assignment. Ito si Hatfield.
Samantala, mahirap pigilan yung ganun klaseng tira ni Jun Limpot. Medyo matras ng bahagya. At saka po binato yung jumper and the Pop Cola lead is down to 6 once again. Johnny! Wala. 3 minutes and 11 seconds to go first quarter.
You notice, partner, the change of pace. No? Pag yung Barangay Ginebra nagdadala ng bola, they're really taking it very, very slowly. Kasi nakita nila itong Pop Cola started this game on a hot streak.
Talagang dinurog sila sa takbuhan doon eh.
So gusto nilang baguhin yung tempo ng laro, no?
Ito naman si Ballesteros. Biglang pumukol. Alam mo naman din natin akalaan niya. Bigla na pumukol na PLDT. Long distance shot. Estong Ballesteros. Balik na naman sa Siyam ang abante ng Pop Cola Panthers. Val David sumasaksak sa loob against Johnny. At si referee Chula ay dinidiinan daw niya si Val David. Tinawagan ng unang personal foul si Johnny Abarientos. As you look at the surprise hit by Estol Ballesteros, the count at 20-11, 9-point lead para sa Pop Cola Panthers this time out. Napakaganda pong crowd na narito sa Phil Sports Arena sa Pasig City. Upang masaksihan ito na ng Barangay Ginebra at ng Pop Cola Panthers. Pumasok na po si JJ Helterbrand para palitan si Val David. Wilmer Ong is also in the game for the first time para sa Barangay Ginebra. Bad pass by Magtulis. Nakita niya, napayungan siya sa ilalim eh. William Antonio has it.
Si Johnny Abarientos part na magpapahinga ngayon. In his place, Ato Morano.
Nabantala, ito na, si Morano sa ilalim, binigay kay Ballesteros. Pagkitaw na naman, medyo walang tinamaan yun. Wilmer Ong off to Helterbrand against 3. Si Kagiwa. Nasa ilalim, yes! Nakikita mo yung lakas nitong batang ito, si Mark Kagiwa.
Malakas talaga ang loob, partner. Because ang kalaban niya, 4.
At saka yung katawan, nakita mo naman yung talon na yun. Isang kamay lang ang gamit. At naibaba na naman niya kalamangan ng Pop Cola down to 7 points at 20-13. Ballesteros. He has done a lot of damage against Barangay Ginebra in the early goings of this game. Natapikan si Coach William ni Jim Limpot. Narito si Mark Kagiwa. Burning rubber once again. 4 na naman ang kalaban. Yes! Alam mo, para napanood ko sa Tagalog movies ito si Mark Kagiwa. Para sa Fernando po, isang batalyon ng kalaban, siya lang mag-isa. Tinatalo yung lahat ng mga Hapon.
Single-handed effort, partner. Ito kalaban niya si Rudy Hatfield. 1 against 3.
4 yan.
4. Count another one.
And you saw the slow-mo action. You're looking at the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Kanya naman partner na tawag natin sa kanya, Mark the Spark. Kita mo, as soon as he comes off the bench, something happens. Ito ang kanyang very impressive average. 90% shooter from the line. Si Berhel Menezes. Pero pinapalakpakan niya ito si Mark Kagiwa who took his spot. Then Berhel Menezes sat down to the bench.
Samantala, Morano gets it over to William Antonio from the corner. Wala, Alex Crisano para sa rebound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Narito si JJ Helterbrand.
Again, yung control tempo ng Barangay Ginebra. Slow down. And they're looking to set up. Pero mga play ng Ginebra, very basic, no? Isolation, one-on-one. Ganun yung mga play nila eh.
Ito, yung one-on-one naman ni JJ Helterbrand, medyo sumabog dahil nag-exhibition siya ng konti, nadulas. Ayun, tinawagan ito dito. Sabi niya, asan ba yun? At ayun, nag-aawan siya at jump ball situation between JJ Helterbrand and Ato Morano in front of the Barangay Ginebra basket. Helterbrand. Narito si Magtulis to June Lipot against Nelson Saitono. Was coming for the first time. Nakawala si June Lipot. Iniwanan ng husto si Nelson Saitono.
What a move, partner, what a move.
So that no fear slam. Face your fears. Live your dream.
Partner, kaya pa nagkaroon ng sagutan dito between Limpot and Wino. Samahan yata ng paa ito si Wino.
Medyo nag-uusap sila.
Limpot actually apologized and he tapped him on the head. At akala ni Coach Wino, parang tinutuya siya. Binalikan niya ito si Limpot. No, Limpot is not that kind of a player. Ito, tingnan natin. Kita mo naman ang head and shoulder fake. Hector, sa'yo!
Okay, dalawa na lang mga kaibigan. Ang kalamangan ng Pop Cola, umabot po yan kanina ng 11-0 nung sa pag-umpisa natin. As I don't know, first crowd to Hatfield is broken up by JJ Helterbrand.
Partner, this is the dilemma that now faces Coach Alan Kaidik. Sino naman tatao niya dito kay Magtulis, who is his #1 defensive stopper. Now, he's taking on Asaitono. But who will take on Hatfield? Yun ang malaking problema ni Coach Alan Kaidik.
Dalawa yung mga kailangan mabantayan ng mahusay dyan. Hatfield at the line, only 18 seconds remaining in the first quarter, but the lead is now down to 2. Rudy Hatfield, pumasok yung una. His third point in the game. Look at Nelson Saitono, medyo hindi pa pinagpapawisan niya, kapapasok lang dito sa first quarter. The shot by Rudy Hatfield, and it's back to a 4-point lead. para sa Panthers. Time for one last play here for Barangay Ginebra at si Mark Kagiwa ang sumesenyas ng play para sa Barangay Ginebra Kings. Uy, nabitawan na naman ni Helter Brand. Another turn na what? Inagaw rin ni Helter. Nakita niya sa limpot sa ilalim!
And
At
basket
may humabol
count.
pa.
Oo. At end one situation para kay Jun Limpot.
At pangalawang foul ni Poch Wino. Tignan natin ang nangyari dito. Humabol si Poch. Sana pinabayaan na lang niya dapat yun. Dahil talagang unang-una na si Jun Limpot. So ngayon, 3-point play pa ang ibibigay kay Jun Limpot. As Barangay Ginebra closes in with only 2.7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Some body English from Jun Limpot to coax that ball to go. Morado tries a heave.
Yes!
Pumasok from midcourt! Ato Morado!
Ato Morado with a half-court shot. Three-pointer.
At what a way to end the quarter. Akala natin matindi na yung ginawang 3-point play ni Jun Limpot. Binalikan naman ng 3 points. Ito, from beyond the half-court line actually. Swak na swak. Galing kay Ato Morado. It's a 4-point lead by the Popcola Panthers. 25-21 at the end of the first.